Hello everyone, let's take a look at this question. So we have this diagram and we have one of the exterior angles to be 148 and we are finding the value of y. Can you solve it? If yes, then I want you to solve it. Write your answer in the comment section. Okay, let us all solve it together. So now we are looking for the value of y. So first, let us look for this angle. Okay, so we have a straight line. We have an angle here which is 148. So the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180. Let's assume that I call this angle A. Okay, then I can say that A plus 148 is equal to 180 degrees because the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180. So from here, I can say that A is equal to 180 degrees minus 148 degrees, which is equal to 32 degrees. So it means that this angle is equal to what? 32 degrees. Okay, let's continue. Now, when we consider the triangle ACD, we can see that the length from A to C is equal to the length from C to D. So it is an isosceles triangle. And because the lengths are the same, it means that it sustains the same angle at the base. So it means that this angle too is 32 degrees. Okay, let's continue. Now let us find this angle. Let me call this angle C. So when we consider the triangle CACD, then I can say that 32 plus 32 degrees plus C is equal to 180. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So we have 32 degrees plus 32 degrees plus the angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So when I make C the subject, it is equal to 180 degrees minus, now 32 plus 32 is 64, so it's going to be minus 64 degrees. And we are going to get 116 degrees. So it means that this angle C is equal to 116 degrees. So what about this angle? We have to find this angle. So the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so we can say that, let me call this angle E. So E plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So obviously it's going to be 64. Because when we add 64 to 116, we shall get 180 degrees, because the sum of the angles on a straight line is equal to 180. So the angle E plus the angle C is 116. 116 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So E is equal to 180 degrees minus 116 degrees. And the answer is 64 degrees. So it means that this angle is 64 degrees. Now when we consider the triangle ABC, the length AB is equal to the length AC. And this is indicated by this line and this line. And because of that, it creates the same angle at the base. Okay, so it means that this angle too is 64 degrees. So now we can say that when we consider the triangle ABC, we can say that the sum of the interior angles of the angle ABC is equal to 180. So we have y plus 64 degrees plus 64 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So we have y plus, now 64 plus 64 is equal to 128 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 128 degrees. And the final answer is equal to 52 degrees. So we have the value of y to be 52 degrees. Please, in case you have any question, let me see your question in the comment section. Hit on the like button and share for other people to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.